15A. Well, can you hear me? Hey, that's directly. Hey, man, you may be seated. Miss Linda.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allie Zenda on behalf of the people. Your Honor, the people would waive any potential conflict between this honorable court and the Office of the Public Defender. While the people don't believe such conflict exists, the people make this waiver in avoidance of all doubt.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender. Your Honor, we likewise do not believe that there is any conflict in this honorable court hearing these matters. If a conflict were to arise, we would waive such conflict so that this honorable court could hear these matters.
Thank you. The court, for its part, also does not believe there's a conflict either in the Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereunder. To the extent a conflict does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent to matters. Court does call the case of the people of the state of Michigan versus Seth Priester.
It's here, Richard McDuffie, on this case and co-defendants. Okay.
Yes. He's on this. And okay. They're
Good morning, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Mr. Seth Priester.
Good morning, Seth Priester.
I'm going to go and start again.
What happened?
Are they okay back there? Okay, go ahead. And Mr. Priester, can you state your name again, please, sir?
Your Honor, Seth Priester.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
If we could call the co-defendants case, this constitutes one to approach.
Sorry, Judge. I know. First case, I'm causing havoc already. Judge, my case is Devosier Henning. It's in custody.
Got that? You got that one?
Yes.
Why do I have
My voice.
Coming from somebody that I need to mute over there. I believe Mr. You muting this. I'm looking for the co-defendant case.
This is the way to start.
Sorry, Judge.
Got it.
No.
Court also, where is he? Is he in
He's in custody.
with
Yes,
them?
yes. And if the
Do you
court,
want me to call it without him coming out? Can we please, because Ms. Constantino has asked,
sorry.
irrespective of what we were actually doing today, could we have Mr. Hennings? Thank you, sir.
Judge, would the court mind if we approach in the interim, just to keep things going?
Oh, it's too late for keeping things going. Like, oh yeah, come on.
You on there?
Okay, record should reflect you had an extensive bench conference in this case. Can you state your name, please?
Devasi Henning.
And in this matter, I will adjourn the probable cause conference to July 31st, 2025 at 9 a.m. And hopefully the issues of everything will be worked out. I will allow Miss Barnwell to appear via Zoom, but you'll still need to file the form. Okay. Bond on each of these cases will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Gavin.
That's reason.
Got it.
Wondering why.
Got it. Okay.
Court does call the case of the people versus Marcus Claiborne.
As on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tina Saxon on behalf of Mr. Claiborne, who's approaching.
Your name, sir?
Marcus Claiborne.
Thank you. You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
During the matter, probable cause conference will be adjourned August 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Court does. Mr.
Goodell, you need to move so that. Thank you.
Short court calls the case people versus Sean Billou. Billou.
And Edward Lucas on behalf of Sean Billadu.
Your name?
Sean Billadu?
All right. You're requesting an adjournment on this?
Yeah, I think we are close in with negotiations. I'm asking for at least a week or two.
August 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you, Aaron.
Court does call the case of people versus Gregory Bell. Really?
Kyle Burdell on behalf of Mr. Bell, who's approaching the podium. Mr. Bell, please introduce yourself to the court.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gregory Bell.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for probable cause conference. The people did extend an offer. Mr. Bell would like some time to think about that and as well to complete the proper form.
August 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge. And I'll come back to you.
Court calls case people versus Anthony Alfaro. Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor. Zach Bonham on behalf of the defendant.
You're going to need to.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot he was.
Yeah. Your name, sir?
Anthony Alfaro. Yes.
All right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
All right. What are we doing on this case?
Your Honor, we've had a conversation with the prosecutor's office. They've extended an offer, and I need some time to review that with my client. So we'd ask that we reset this to another date. And then after that, I'd like to address bond if I could.
Is it the order that was submitted to the court?
It was the proposed order, Your Honor.
All right. I'll have to hear your argument on that. Pardon?
It's not.
Got it. All right. So you need an adjournment of this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to, you want the 31st or the 7th since he's in custody?
I would take the 31st, Your Honor.
July 31st, 2025, 9 a.m. As to bond.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client's been in custody for over 30 days now. He had an outstanding warrant on a vehicle for a misdemeanor registration that's been resolved as a civil infraction at this point as of June 24th. He doesn't have any prior convictions for violent offenses. He had a strong work history of over 5 years as a manager at Los Amigos in Ann Arbor. He's most likely lost that employment now due to his detainment. His family needs his financial assistance. He has a very strong family relationship in the area. He's retained our office to represent him in this matter. Since he's been in custody, he's been enrolled in AA classes. He's working in the jail's kitchen. So we're asking that he be released on a bond. I would ask for a PR bond. I know the prosecutor's office in the proposed order I provided you, they would be requesting home confinement. I won't speak on her behalf, but that's something I know the prosecutor's office was asking for. If that's something that would persuade the court to allow him to be released, so be it. And any other conditions that the court would impose. If it was home confinement, we would just ask that he have the ability to travel for work purposes, school, medical appointments, etc.
Response.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did have a chance to speak with counsel as well and express my concerns on this case. As the court knows, the bond violation is the second case involving the OWI and some other issues. I don't have an issue with him being released to home confinement. I would request some form of alcohol testing, whether that's a sober link or scram tether, due to those circumstances and alcohol kind of being a theme throughout some of these cases.
So you're saying the drunk driving was a violation of his bond?
The case in its entirety was the violation. It occurred after his arraignment on the prior case.
That didn't answer my question.
I'm sorry, can you?
The 15th District Court case is the violation. For which one came first?
The 14D case came first, 25.
Thank you. That's what I needed. All right. Anything else on this?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I will grant the release on this. I'll give him a $15,000 personal recognizance bond. Defendant, prior to release, will be placed on a home confinement tether, as well as, what was the alleged BAC in his drunk driving case? See here. You can never see this.
Yeah.
He's not here today. That will be a, well, let me do it this way. The GPS tether will be a home confinement tether, and you don't know the BAC.
Unfortunately, Your Honor, can I pull this up?
We'll just put him on a sober link then. Testing device. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case People versus Carlos South.
Andrew Banks for the people. Kyle Brittle on behalf of, but not with Carlos South. I understand that there is a violation. I have not been able to contact him. I do have a good number, but I've just not been able to reach him. Asking for a show cause at this time.
Well, he's showing up. The violation report is he's showing up with cocaine now in his system. So a bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear until we get him no bond.
Understood.
That will issue immediately.
Understood. What's the dollar amount, Your Honor?
Pardon?
What's the dollar amount?
No bond.
Oh, no bond. Oh, thank you. I missed that.
So that would be a 0. Court does call the case. Other People versus Robert Galit.
Thank you, Richard McDuffie for the people on both nights.
Alex Warren Green on behalf of Ms. Gallant in the matter ending 5713.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rob J. Kilwall, Judge. I'm on 5612.
Robert Gallant, also known as May.
Thank you. All right. What are we doing?
Judge, we're working on a possible resolution in this matter. We've spoken to my client. We're asking for a 2-week adjournment.
I would join that request, Your Honor. I'm completing the green sheet right now.
One of these doesn't have a green form, I think. Mr. Kilowog. Probable cause conference will be adjourned to July 31st. Will that be enough time for you guys to get done what you've done?
I believe so, Your Honor.
July 31st, 2025, 9 a.m. Bound continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Michael Ware, 2 cases.
Ned Rodriguez on behalf of Michael Ware.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Ware as well, Your Honor.
I'm an 863. And I just talked to him on the phone. I understand he's late. I'd be asking if the court could pass it.
And I would ask as well, Your Honor.
Where is he?
He said he was 10 minutes away, and that was about 5 minutes ago.
Call it up. Well, man, call it up in 5 minutes. You better be here.
Okay.
Now he's getting a warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case Other People versus Tubbs.
If you were to nothing for the people.
See, and I didn't call it like I normally call it.
Morning, I don't know if I'm the only one here on 1038. Judge, I was.
Your name, sir?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Shaquille Tubbs. Is that how you say it, really? Okay, all right.
Judge, I saw Shaquille last night at jail. I told him I had just been appointed. It's my understanding Ken Overwater is trying to get this young man into a recovery court with Judge Kuhnke. We're working on that. I explained to him I would be asking for a 2-week adjournment.
You said he's in recovery court, or they're trying to get him
It's
in?
my understanding he was initially denied several months ago. They're retrying him, so it's going to take a little bit of time.
Hearing no objection, I'll adjourn this to August 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bound continue.
Thanks,
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Riel Boyd.
30, Your Honor.
Alexander on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Jay Columbia, Ms. Riel Boyd.
Riel Boyd.
Judge, we're working on a resolution, possible resolution of this matter with the prosecutor. We're asking for a 2.
Probable cause conference, August 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bound continue.
Thank you, Judge.
And you got to give me that countdown there at 5.
Okay.
Court calls the case People versus Devontae Owens.
Andrew Thomas is on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. If it please this honorable court, Brandon Bird on behalf of Devontae Owens. Mr. Owens, can you please state your full name for the record?
Devontae Lawan Owens.
Thank you. All right. Sir, what are you asking for?
Respectfully requesting adjournment, Your Honor. I was just appointed yesterday.
Yesterday. Probable cause conference.
Sorry, I'll speak with Mr. Bird as well, but I have been speaking to the Sheriff's Department. I know there's been a lot of ongoing investigation that's still happening, as well as cell phone analysis. I know specifically with respect to Mr. Owens' phone, so I'll make sure that that stuff is shared as fast as possible.
All right. Do you think you'd be able to get enough of that information at least to council by the 31st, or do we need to go out one more week?
If we could go one more week, that would be my preference.
Any objection, council?
No objection, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference, August 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. Continue. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Court does call the case of the People versus Theophilus Smith.
Ooh, can you go back?
Thank you.
Yes.
Judge Simpson, I can speak.
It's your case.
Yes, I can tell you what happened. I've been in jail for 100.
Hold on. Theophilus.
We're ready in this matter, Your Honor. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Defender, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Smith, who appears by Zoom. Mr. Smith, could you state your name for the record?
Theophilus D'Angelo Smith.
All right, you're requesting a forensic evaluation?
Yes, I think this matter is still,
No,
there's
I
one
can speak
pending.
for my, Lauren Brown, please don't say that. Please don't say that. That's insulting my intelligence. That's insulting my intelligence. No. You ain't even advocate with me. I will speak on my own behalf. And then you can
I
tell
believe
me.
there's one that's pending already.
Your Honor, the last update I have from May is that he was found incompetent but restorable, and
Right.
today was it had been scheduled on the 31st to check in.
No, come on, like,
And
come
we,
on.
so has the court,
Can I speak, please? Without
one moment, one moment, please.
I can easily, I don't want to have to do it, but just let me
It's already been
speak,
sent
please.
out for one.
You get a chance, but wait on just a minute so that we can make sure that what you say has meaning.
No.
Has the court received an
Every
updated?
word I speak, that mean I
I
said
am
something.
not. All right, Mr. Smith, I'm not going to try to talk over you.
Okay, go ahead.
I am not going to try to talk over you. So if you want to keep doing that, then I'll just mute you. Have a seat. Let me. All right. Or dance.
Please, no, I need to speak. I don't got time to be. I speak for myself.
Okay, Mr. Smith. You need to have a seat and don't interrupt me.
So, Your Honor, has the court received an updated report with respect to Mr. Smith?
I have not.
We have nothing further to present at this time. Would you request that this matter be adjourned so that we can get an updated report?
And on the new case, requesting a forensic.
Yes.
All right. So on both of these matters, the one is set for a competency review.
Right, exactly right. The other is just tagging along with it.
So the new one, I'll set a competency. We don't have a new report, but one is coming in soon. So why don't you give me 45 days? Well, let's just give me the 90 and then I'll
October 23rd.
I'll adjourn this to October 23rd, 2025, 9 a.m. Mr. Smith, you're muted.
My life.
All right. Mr. Smith, what do you want to tell me? I'm going to give you 2 minutes to tell me what you want to tell me.
Me sleeping in the worst cell and radiation. Me can't lay down without men feasting over me when I wake up. I gotta pray hard. I gotta sing, and the Holy Ghost be in me. And they praying over me. They beat me. I'm just saying, an ends to a means. Like everything's been recorded. Everybody know everything. Simpson, please, Simpson, do America a great justice. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Please,
okay.
I can tell you more. I can tell you names. I'm tired. I'm scared to tell everything while I'm in here. My family is scared for me life. No, just do the right thing. I just ask you. I believe you are a judge that speaks justice. I believe you will just come on, just do the right thing. And my Lord, I trust. Amen.
I've done the right thing. We'll see you at the next hearing date. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Smith. You can mute it now. Bond continued. Court recalls the case of the People versus Michael Ware.
Thank you, Richmond, people.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Ware as it relates to case number ending in 5134.
On behalf of Michael Ware.
Here?
He said he was in the parking lot here.
He said he's in the parking lot?
And so I'm looking.
Told me 10 minutes before.
I know.
We needed 13.
What?
We needed 13
13 what?
minutes.
Bond violation. In the next 2 minutes.
Right.
I have a progress report. I don't have a bond violation.
Yes, Your Honor, I have a progress report. I don't have a bond violation.
You guys are gonna try to stall. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond 10,000, cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately. They need to be here.
Then, Your Honor. Your Honor, what was the bench warrant? Again, 10,000 cash shorted?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Court calls case people versus Haruska Dennis.
On behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christina Costantino appearing on behalf of Mr. Haruska Dennis, and I'm appearing in case number ending in 1150.
And this is public defenders, not a carrier. Your Honor, on the other matter, representatives are in the space.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, this is a date and time set for a PCC in this matter. We did receive a mitigation report, I believe, just a couple days ago that was just very recently submitted to the prosecution. Given that, we would ask for an additional PCC to have time to complete those negotiations.
And that's our request on our matter as well, Your Honor.
On 31st of the 7th.
Judge, I would ask for the 31st, given he's in custody.
Yes. Probable cause conference will be adjourned July 31st, 2025, 9 a.m. Bonds will continue.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you, Judge.
Court calls the case for the people versus Tanya Hall.
Morning, Jacob on behalf of Ms. Hall. Tanya, are you here? Judge, as you know, Ms. Hall is homeless. She's been staying at the Delana Center. I went there. They would not tell me. They could not confirm she's there, but I know she's there. I left a note. I never did speak with her. Would the court be gracious enough to give me one more adjournment to find her? Apparently I left a note. Apparently she
I
came.
have a cocaine test. A test positive for cocaine, and then she missed. So I might under the circumstances, but I'm not going to at this point. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for failure to appear. Bond is set in amount of $25,000 cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court does call the case people versus Mario Crawford.
Andrew Dennis.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Alexis Zerps with and on behalf of Mr. Crawford. Can you please state your name for the record?
Mario Crawford, Your Honor. Thank you.
Your Honor, we'd respectfully requesting an adjournment. We believe we are close to a deal with the people, and we would just need a little bit more time.
Probable cause conference, July 31st, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case people versus, is it Chantel Bray Page?
Thank you, representative for the people.
And greetings, Your Honor. Emmett Greenwood on behalf of the defendant. My client is in person.
Your name, sir?
Chantel Burpage.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor. Prosecution has graciously provided me all the discovery, so we're respectfully asking that we have an in-person exam.
Later, we have a
Yes. Yes.
discovery being complete. Would people have their witnesses available? That would be the day. August 5th.
We'll try our best.
Preliminary examination, August 5th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is in person before
Judge Freshour.
Before Judge Freshour.
Okay, nice. What day was that again, Your Honor?
August 5th.
Yeah, that's no problem. And Your Honor, may I address bond very briefly?
Very briefly.
Yes. my client has requested that he either stop having a drop or at least reduce the amount of drops. He hasn't tested positive or anything, but it's creating such a financial drain on him and his family that he doesn't know how he'll be able to complete all that.
What is his current schedule?
Every week, at random.
Every week?
I just got a call every day and
well, given what appears to be the drug in here and his drug of choice, weekly testing is an appropriate testing.
Would you consider bi-weekly? Would you consider bi-weekly?
I will not. You can bring it up before Judge Freshour after the exam.
And I got a court date on the 5th too in Canton. I think it's at 9
You can't
o'clock.
do the 5th?
I would have to adjust it with them. This is more serious than the other stuff, so.
Pardon?
I said this court date is more serious than the other court date, so.
Well, Your Honor, if he has a conflict, maybe we can do another date. Because we're ready to go.
Would the people be ready on the 29th, a week from today?
I doubt it, Your Honor.
And the next date I have would be the 12th.
That's fine for defense.
August 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. It is also before Judge Freshour.
All right, in person. Thank you so much. You all take care.
Thank you. Court does call the cases of the people versus Matthew Fonseca.
And Alex Warren Green on behalf of Mr. Fonseca. Mr. Fonseca, could you state your name for the court?
Matthew Lewis Fonseca.
Your Honor, today's date and time for probable cause conference. At this time, we're asking the court to adjourn these matters so that I can continue my negotiations with the people.
Probable cause conference, without objection, July 31st, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case People versus Deja Moore.
Christina Costantino appearing on behalf of Ms. Moore, who appears via Zoom. Ms. Moore, can you unmute, turn your camera on, and state your name for the court?
Deja Moore.
Thank you.
Judge, this is the date and time set for PCC. I believe discovery is complete, so we would be asking to have this matter set for an in-person preliminary examination.
People have their witnesses available the 5th.
Judge, I apologize. I have.
No, you don't.
I have
No, you do, but you don't mean it.
I do, but
The 12th or the 29th?
the 12th would work wonderfully. Thank you, Judge.
Not a problem. Preliminary examination will be in person, August 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Valwell. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Jonathan Hughes.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Mr. Hughes, sitting in for attorney Ms. White. Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. Mr. Hughes has some other cases that are pending.
Your name, sir?
Mr. Hughes.
This other matter is on August 7th.
Before whom?
Before Your Honor, for the PCC.
So he has another
PCC, yes, Your Honor.
I'll adjourn the probable cause conference August 7th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Tyrone Smith the fourth.
Alexander on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Tyrone Smith, also known as Tyre Smith.
Name.
Tyrone Smith the
Thank
fourth.
you. Go ahead.
Respectfully, we'd like to set this matter for exam, Your Honor.
Discovery is complete.
As far as I know, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the fifth.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, August 5th, 2025. 9 a.m. That's before Judge Freshour. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Savannah Crittenden.
Have a great day, too.
You do the same.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Ellman with it on behalf of Ms. Crittenden. Ms. Crittenden, can you please state your name for the record?
Savannah Crittenden.
You're requesting an adjournment. You were just recently appointed.
Yes, Your Honor. I was just appointed yesterday, so I don't have discovery yet on this matter. However, when appropriate, I would like to address bond.
Adjourn the matter July 31st, 2025, 9 a.m. Yes, that's the bond briefing.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that these alleged incidents allegedly took place at an extended stay hotel while Ms. Crittenden's apartment complex was under construction. She has before staying in that extended stay hotel, had not known, and I would argue still does not know, the alleged complaining witness in this case, has no reason to have contact with them. I'm still trying to determine whether the construction at her apartment complex is complete. But Your Honor, I think that given the circumstances, I'd be asking for a release on a PR bond with a GPS tether with potentially a no-go to that extended stay hotel.
Response.